Well, I think our vision has really changed from being not just a promotion agency, but one that's really truly strong in CRM. So I think our vision is really focused on CRM growth and really taking our clients' CRM databases to the next level. Not just about collecting the data, but truly understanding what the data means to the brands and to the business, and how to then utilize that to segment their audience, create one-to-one communications, really get in behind the scenes with the consumer so that that relationship becomes one of value.
Gone are the days where you have to advertise to masses, and now you can get really, really personalized. So with social media, we know so much about what people like and dislike, and then with web viewing behavior, whether that's search traffic or video, you can really get down to exactly what that consumer wants. And I think it's really powerful when an advertiser can deliver that exact message or need to me as a consumer. So I think that whole layer on top of marketing that you can get down to the individual is exciting.
We also have a lot of opportunity to really learn from our consumers. It is a space where we can really connect from them and learn from them because there is two-way dialogue in some of the channels, and it's immediacy. So we can learn from that immediacy, and we can also learn from the immediacy of the metrics that we're able to get. It's pretty well in real time.
A better understanding of how to harness real-time data and where they can look at this treasure trove, essentially, of dynamic data that not just Radium One has access to, but how we pull it together is, of course, I think very much different from the marketplace. But looking at this and saying, hey, here's where opportunities exist. Here, as a brand manager, is how I need to think differently about the space versus just looking at doing a pure media buy. How are consumers using, how are they sharing with friends, and how can brands find a way to leverage that immense sharing data and surround it with an appropriate brand message versus interrupting it.
We offer, a lot of core services starting with database management and the insights that can come out of that. So collecting data is certainly key. Certainly other core things that we offer are what will drive that database through acquisitions, whether it's promotions, loyalty programs, etc. So it's really about having the right technologies to gather the right insights and information about consumers in order to help clients speak better and more relevantly to their actual consumers.
We have so much great sharing data available to us today as ad solution providers and as brand marketers that coming away from this and seeing that should be a huge benefit. The other is looking at something as simple as an API and seeing why an API is important as a distribution strategy. I think that takes people and starts to make them think differently about their role as a marketer.